Django self-referential foreign key. I'm kind of new to web apps and database stuff in general, so this might be a dumb question. I want to make a model, category model, with a field that points to the primary ID of another instance of the model, its parent. How do I do this? Thanks.
You can pass in the name of a model as a string to foreign key and it will do the right thing. So, or you can use the string self.
You can use the string self to indicate a self-reference. This URL
You also to set null equals true and blank equals true. Null equals true to allow in database. Blank equals true to allow in form validation.
This URL or this URL
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.